The heartwarming journey of a hungry cat in search of food. 1. Meet Whiskers, a brave little cat on a quest for food and friendship. 2. Whiskers faces challenges, navigating busy streets and avoiding dogs along the way. 3. A kind stranger offers Whiskers a tasty treat, lighting up his day with hope. 4. Using clever tactics, Whiskers discovers hidden treasures in a cozy alleyway. 5. Finally, Whiskers finds a warm home, proving love and food can be found anywhere. Join Whiskers on more heartwarming adventures. Subscribe now.